I get asked all the time, how do the rich get away with paying no taxes? Here's a secret I'm going to let you in on that the general public does not have common knowledge of. It's called the buy, borrow, and die tax strategy. Let me break it down and tell you the details. Most rich people have their money invested in the stock market. They are buying stocks of large publicly traded companies, mutual funds. They don't keep their money in the bank account. Let me tell you that very clearly. Their money is somewhere in the public stock market. A lot of these rich people are sitting on highly appreciated assets, meaning these stocks have gained very high in value than what they purchased it at, and now they can potentially sell and cash out. But they don't want to do that. Why? Because if they cash out, they're going to be subject to federal taxes up to 20% and state taxes anywhere between 5 to 10%. So 25 to 30% of their money could be gone. Instead, what they'll do is they'll go to the bank and they'll get a line of credit pledging those assets as collateral. And generally, these line of credits have much lower interest rate than normally what you would be getting if you were to get a personal or a business loan. Maybe you'll be looking at 5 to 8% or even lower. And the banks are willing to give these kind of loans because they know their money is secure. If the person defaults or doesn't pay the loan back, they can just sell their assets, such as the stocks, and recover their money. So the benefit to the rich person is now they're only probably paying 5%, whatever, 6% on their money, as opposed to paying 30% on their gains if they were to sell that asset. And remember, there is no taxes on loan proceeds. If you take out a loan, there is no income tax, federal, state. So that's where the key is. And when they die, that loan simply gets paid off by their stock. And at that time, there might be some tax implications, but guess what? They have a lot of time to figure out what to do at that time to avoid taxes with their army of lawyers and accountants.